Hello guys, this video is gonna be about Coin Market Manager, alright? Market Manager is an online platform that I use to automatically track, journal and analyze my trading and my trades, alright? It's also very useful for tax purposes because you can automatically get a nice overview of all of your trades, and they're also working to export those into Excel and stuff like that. You can add notes, you can add charts. So I'll explain everything in this video and how I personally use it. Okay, this has been very useful for me. For example, whenever I make a stupid mistake or something I could have done better, all right, I just add that to my journal. Okay, and that's why Coin Market Manager is very useful, at least for my personal trading. So I think it could be useful for some of you guys as well. All right, so I have a partnership currently with Coin Market Manager and Bybit. Okay, so it's pretty simple. If you use my Bybit ref link, okay, and connect Coin Market Manager to your Bybit account, it will automatically recognize that you used my link and will give you premium, all of the premium features for free. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty useful. Only thing you have to do is use my Bybit link and you'll be able to do exactly the same as me and journal all of your trades and get all kind of trade analytics. All right. The links will be in the description. Okay, so check that out. So for this video, I made a new demo account with $12. Okay, so of course this is not my main account, but I'll just use this one to explain all of the features Coin Market Manager has, like this way. Okay, so let's take a look at the first starting page, the dashboard. Okay, so whenever you make an account, you start here. So first thing you have to do is connect your account to the Coin Market Manager page. All right, so you click on add an exchange, and then here you can choose from different exchanges: Bittrex, Binance Spot, Qcoin, Coinbase, BitMEX, Bybit and Deribit. Okay, so you simply click on the exchange you are trading on, for example Bybit, and then you simply follow the steps. So you enter your API private key, account name, and then click update. Okay, and then your Bybit account or whatever exchange you're using will be connected to the Coin Market Manager page, and then you'll see another page down here. Okay, so if you used my Bybit link, you'll see that this says Coin Market Man unlocked. Okay, so that means that you have all of the paid features for free if you see this. Okay, so then right here, so yeah, above here you see your total net worth. That's if you use different exchanges. For example, you trade also on Deribit, for example, and Bybit, and you connect two exchanges, then right here your total net worth will be the sum of those two, and then the total deposits, total withdrawals, Bitcoin break even, Bitcoin alts exposure, stats like that. And then down here you have the different exchanges you trade on. So I have one because only a Bybit account is connected. If you also connected a Deribit account, then there will be two pages like this. Okay, so then right here you see your total exchange equity and your total exchange wallet. So the equity is including the unrealized P&L. So if you have open positions, the unrealized P&L will be included, and then total exchange wallet will be excluded the unrealized P&L. Okay, and then realized P&L since last deposit. So that's your profit you made since the last deposit, and then the overall exchange P&L. Okay, and then right here the total deposits on that account, total withdrawals on that account, last deposits and stuff like that. Okay, then when you scroll down a bit, go to my Bybit, you can see your open positions. Okay, so quickly overall realized P&L, unrealized P&L and realized P&L on that position. Okay, on the different assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, XRP, okay. Then down here you see your asset overview, okay. So that's a pretty useful graph, because here you will be able to see how your assets are going. So if you're actually making profit, this should go up. If not, it will go down, and you will also be able to see your deposits and withdrawals and transfers, okay. So right now it looks like this, but if you have traded for a while, it will look much differently. For example, mine currently looks like this, okay. So as you can see, the green bars are days I made profit, and the red ones where I lost, and the gray ones where I was at break even, okay. So as you can see, I deposited here. Since then, I haven't deposited anything, okay, just been trading. So that's what it looks like then, all right. So then let's take a look at the second page, account analytics, okay. So this is pretty useful. You can see your total trades here, so the amount of trades you took on the account, and then your win ratio, okay. And then they give you a grade and a quick report. So right now it says your win ratio is above average to excellent. That's simply because I took only one trade, and that trade was profitable. So my win ratio is 100%. But of course, if you've made different trades, you will have losing ones as well. So it will say something completely differently right here, okay. Right now it says you are not profitable with an overall P&L of -48. That's simply because it was a position of 50 contracts. It was just to show you guys the features CoinMarketMan has, okay. But yeah, then you can see the difference between longs and shorts, okay. So that's also pretty helpful in my opinion, because you can see the trades you took on the different weekdays, okay, from Monday to Sunday, and in the different time zones. Well, so in the morning, afternoon, evening, and night, okay. So what I use this for sometimes, whenever I enter a trade, I check if, for example, I've entered 7 longs on Mondays and 6 out of them were losses, then it's most likely not a good idea in my strategy to open a long on a Monday, right? Of course, you won't base your trades purely off of that, but it can be used as a nice confluence indicator, all right? And anyways, it's always pretty useful to have this kind of info, okay? So then you'll be able to see your best long, okay, your worst long, and then exactly the same for shorts, okay? Also see your total realized P&L on shorts, total realized P&L on longs, average win, average loss, and stuff like that, okay. And then trade history and performance chart. So that's basically your equity curve, right? So again, your win rate, okay, average trade duration, and then the difference between how many longs and how many shorts. And then right here, you'll be able to see your equity curve, okay? Right now, I don't have one since I've only entered one trade, but if you've entered multiple, then your equity curve will look something like this, all right? So that's my current equity curve. And then down here, you'll see your trade history, okay, with the account gain per trade, average entry, average exit, realized P&L. And then when you click on this, you'll be able to see the trade on the chart, which is also pretty helpful, okay? So like you can see here, I longed right here, then slightly underwater, and then into profit, and then close the trade right here, okay? Right, then tickers and charts. Well, that's just the chart, the Bitcoin chart of the exchange, ETH, USD, EOS, and XRP, and then USDT contracts, of course. Okay, so that's just a chart. Okay, so that's that. Okay, now let's head over to the more interesting part. Okay, so this is the most useful part of the website, in my opinion, of Coin Market Manager. So that's the trading journals, right? Okay, I haven't created one on this one since I want to walk you through how to do this. So let's give this a name first. So Bybit CMM YouTube vid, for example. Okay, so then you create a journal. Then you connect your exchanges, okay? So since now I only have one exchange connected, which is Bybit, I can only choose from Bybit, okay? And then you can import your trades, okay? So you can manually import them, but yeah, of course, it's much more interesting to automatically pull out the data from the exchange and automatically import those trades, okay? So right here, import closed trades, you'll be able to import those trades in your journal. Okay, so on this account I've only entered one trade to make this video. On the demo account, so I can only import one, but yeah, if you have multiple trades, you'll be able to import all of them. Okay, so then you simply click select trade. Okay, and then right here you can add a note to the trade. So for example, if you close the trade and after the trade you are like, well, I should have let a small position run since it was on a Tuesday, and on Tuesdays I don't know, price tends to accelerate to the upside, for example, then you can simply enter that here. So hold a part of the position. It's just an example, by the way, but you can easily add anything you want here, and then also enter a trading view URL. Okay, so for example, if you longed right here, with a stop there, something like this. Okay, and then of course with some lines and stuff like that, some boxes. Okay, then you make a screen off of that, you copy this, okay, the link, and then you enter the trading view URL. Okay, and then you hit save, and then boom. Okay, so then you have your trade here with your entry, exit, the size, okay, the site, your wallet balance, stuff like that, and then easily see the note here, and with a beautiful trading view link and trading view picture or screen. All right, so that's pretty damn useful. Okay, I use this on a daily basis. Well, I've been journaling all my trades recently on this platform, and yeah, to be honest, it helped me a lot in keeping track of my trades and of course to improve my own trading. All right, so that's a journal part, and then last but not least, you can also make your own verification page. If you click here on verification, and then you can select the exchange once again, select wallet, decide if you want to show the balance, show open positions, show trade history, and then the Twitter handle and page name. I also have my own verification page, so you can then share that page, and it will automatically update. Okay, if you enter new trades, and you will be able to see your total trades, your profitability, and open positions and stuff like that. Okay, so if you want to be fully transparent with your trading towards other people, okay, this is the way. Okay, you can't fake stuff. Right here is just a link. It pulls data from your exchange, so definitely check that out. Okay, so a quick wrap up. Okay, so in my opinion, the journal especially is one of the most useful features of the platform. Okay, to track your trades, add notes, and add screens. I use it on a daily basis. It's very helpful in my opinion. Okay, I would never promote stuff that I don't personally use, but this is generally just very helpful in my opinion. All right, so once again, all you have to do to unlock the paid features is hit the link in the description to make a Bybit account. Okay, and then simply link the Bybit account to Coin Market Manager, and you'll unlock all of the paid features. Along with that, if you use my Bybit link before November, okay, you'll also be able to profit from a deposit bonus if you deposit more than 0.05 Bitcoin on the account you made with the link in the description. Okay, so that's also a pretty nice deal, right? Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely check out Coin Market Manager, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.